what's gonna happen.
Oh boy.
I learned how to cook steak from
did?
my brother. Okay, my brother's taught me a lot. So what we're gonna do is there's 2 steak turn-ins. Out of those 2, we're gonna see who has the better position at the end of the day.
Is there a...
Right?
Already
So we'll
talking
see.
shit. This is your
Hey.
3rd contest. He's already talking
no,
shit.
6th, but the only
Let's
thing
say-
I'm saying,
Duck sauce, baby.
the last comp, my brother took 10th.
Yo, you put
I
that
took
Duck
6th,
sauce glaze
but
on top.
I ain't talking shit. My brother helped me. I ain't talking shit. He helped me. But we're gonna see how the judges like our steaks today.
Can you flip that one? Okay. Can you flip that one?
I did. Yeah, I know. See, Jason, me,
That one.
Morgan Waller.
Good luck to you, pal. Thank you. I learned a lot from my brother. He picked a steak that I wouldn't pick. I'm gonna take that one.
This one right here?
Yep.
It's all yours.
All right, man. Thank you.
Show him how it's done.
So, you know what? He picked it and put it back down. So, cheers. Let's do this. I'll take that one, please. Thank you. Take that one. Thank you, sir.
All right. Coming in with that 1-2 punch, boy. All right, let's go. Here we go.
Give it a kiss.
Here I go. All right. All right. One more to go. This is going to be the most tender portion of the meat is right here.
So how do you know they're going to cut that off?
So that's how you put it in the box, right? So you can put it in the box this way, right? Say if this is the to-go box, you can put it in just like that. They're going to eat this side. You don't want them to eat that side. You want them to eat this side, right? So when you put it in the box, you want to turn this side over so it's facing when they open it, right? And when they take a bite, that's what they want. That's what we want them to eat.
Kiss the box, baby. Here we go. Let's go.
Thank you.
Let's go, Phil.
Ready to put some flip-flops on?
Shades. Sit down. Relax. Cut the string.
Yeah, I cut the string into it.
Things gone. String.
Put salt, finishing dust, buttered it. Here we go. Be out here. All right, last one. done right here. We are done.
All right, sixth place, $30. A score of 248.3. Ticket number 6740. 67.
Hey, let's go! Let's go!
We're gonna make a stamp with your guys' last name next time. Just to make our lives a lot easier.
We're back from Simi Valley State Contest. Brother versus brother. How did we do?
I took 6th place, state A, and 18th place, state B.
So my brother whooped my ass because the best place I did was 12. If you like more of these videos, please comment, like, subscribe, do all that. We'll catch you on the next one.